sir? You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Trying to take some pictures.
Okay, no, I just saw you and I didn't know if you were still. You got a license on you?
Huh?
You got a license on you?
Yeah, I'm just trying to take pictures of the moonlight here.
Oh, that's fine. Let's see your license.
You're no. No.
No? You're just taking pictures? You here by yourself?
Yes.
Who do you work with?
None of your business. Well, it is, but I'm not telling you.
So what's your license number, sir? I'm sorry, your ID?
No thanks.
Where's your ID at?
Huh?
Where's your ID?
What's that?
Your ID, your license.
Yeah, I'm not providing that.
You're not providing your license? And because of why?
Because I don't want to.
Okay, give me a second. You got your registration, your vehicle registration? Any weapons in here or anything like that? What's your name? What's your name, sir?
I'm not calling you.
I'll be right back. Sir? Look, I'm not trying to give you a hard time or anything like that. I just stopped because I thought you were in trouble. But now, is your name Gregory Orr?
I'm not saying who I am.
You're not saying?
No.
So what, are you taking pictures for your job or what? We're just having a conversation, Mr. Orr. You got here by yourself? Mr. Orr? Why all the cameras, Mr. Orr? What are you doing? Well, I'm not going to give you a hard time, Mr. Orr. I'm going to let you go. I'm going to leave you alone, but I'll find out what you're doing.
Have a nice day.
All right, Mr. Orr. Are you tribal, sir? Sir, are you tribal? You have permission to be out here on the road taking pictures, sir? I'm going to issue a citation for criminal trespassing unless you have proof or you have a district permission to be out here. Understand? So, I'm going to issue you a citation. Don't go.
Trying to take a picture of the stars because we had a nice dark sky. But this is interesting too.
Robert Trudeau. Robert, why such animosity or whatever? I'm just talking to you. Why? How you doing that? You gonna sign for me?
No thanks.
No thanks. Okay. That's not a problem. Are you just angry at the whole world or what's going on? Getting a warning for criminal trespassing, Robert? Unless you have permission. Okay. Alrighty?
Thank you.
You Take care. Be safe out there.
Too.
Robert, you know you're trespassing. Are you refusing to leave?
I'm not trespassing.
Are you refusing to leave?
Hmm?
Do you have permission to be on the nation? Take pictures? I want to work with you, bud.
I'd like to go to the restroom here.
What's that?
I'd like to go to the restroom. And I wanted to take a picture of the moon here.
Do you have permission from the district to be out here taking pictures? If you're not native, then you're trespassing. I'm trying to work with you, bud.
Isn't this a public highway? What is this?
You're off the highway now.
I stopped to take a picture of the moon because it's nice and dark here. Now I'm cold and I want to pee.
You provide license, anything. I was just trying to help you out. I thought you were out of your stuff. But you have a little different kind of attitude. I don't know why. I was polite to you.
So the lights aren't polite with my camera and getting a picture of the stars here.
Yes, sir. Okay.
I appreciate the citation and your visit, and I enjoy these kind of encounters.
You enjoy them?
Yeah,
Why?
people are interested in this topic.
What topic?
What's going on here right now?
You're taking pictures of Border Patrol too out there.
Right? They're interested. That's a interesting topic for many people.
Okay. Why didn't you get permission from the district to come in and do all that? I mean, when you're on this nation here, you got to get permission from the district. If you did that, that's fine, but if you didn't, then I'm just asking. But since you didn't provide me the information, at this point, I'm just investigating. They're making a few phone calls and they're going to call me back.
May I use the restroom over here? And maybe get a jacket?
Go ahead and get your jacket.
go over here and pee. Is that okay? May I go pee over here? A little shy. Yes. Okay. I was gonna turn this other camera on.
How you doing, Mr. Trudell?
I'm Sergeant Traviola with the Tohono O'odham Police Department. Okay, I want to inform you, you are trespassing on the Tohono O'odham Nation. You need to remove yourself immediately from the Tohono O'odham Nation. Do you understand?
I don't think that's a valid charge.
We aren't charging you.
I don't think it's a valid.
Well, we've asked you to remove yourself. You need to remove yourself immediately. Okay.
What?
All right. The
What-
time is
is-
now
is-
11:17 p.m. He's been
Is
warned.
it an order?
It's not an order. We're asking you to remove yourself. You're trespassing. We're asking yourself to remove yourself.
I'm trying to take a picture of the moon.
I know it's a beautiful moon, huh?
I'm a journalist. I'm claiming my First Amendment right to take a picture of the moon
Okay.
from the public highway.
You can claim that all you want, sir. But we've asked you to remove yourself from the Tohono O'odham Nation. Okay?
And what's the what kind of reason do you have for that? I mean, what is you got some kind of law?
This is an Indian Nation. For you to do what you are doing, you need permission from the Indian Nation.
Or what if I have permission?
Do you have the documents? Your permission to take photographs on the Tohono O'odham Nation.
I don't think that's.
Okay.
I never heard of that.
Well,
could you give me like a site number or something like that?
a site number? No, sir, I couldn't right off the top of my head. But you're warned. Okay. We're done. All right.
I think you're lying. I'd like to take a picture of the moon, then I'm going to leave. Okay?
Okay, guys.